Hi, I'm Dr. Sarah Wasserbauer, and here's the question. How is hair lost? Hair is a naturally regenerating mini organ. It goes through periods of growth, and then resting and shedding and regeneration. This process is controlled by a very specific group of stem-like cells at the base of the hair called the dermal papilla cells, sometimes abbreviated as DP. The number of these cells determines the thickness of the hair shaft that is produced by the sheath cells. A full thickness hair on the scalp is called a terminal hair. That's these or beard. With some hairs, at the end of each hair cycle, the number of DP cells is reduced and the subsequent hair is thinner. Eventually, it's too thin to have a full cosmetic effect. And when it gets too thin, it's termed a vellus hair. So a vellus hair would be like an arm hair or just soft fuzz. You'll notice that when you have a hair that's terminal, it's about 350 microns in diameter. And as hair is slowly thinning over time, it'll reduce down to 40 microns in diameter, which would be more like a vellus hair. Once it has reached 40 microns in diameter, that's when the hair is really not going to stick around much longer. But if it's anything above that, you can probably rescue it. What hair cloning is trying to do is to get something before it gets too thin and make it regenerate at the thicker hair rate. I hope that helps.